Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 14.9.4 and we are going to use a proxy server. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure the laptop computer in the executive office to use a corporate proxy server. The proxy server is used to control access to the internet. In this lab, your task is to configure the proxy server settings, and then proxy IP address is going to be proxy.compnet, the local, and the port is going to be 9000. So let's go ahead and start up. We want to go to network and internet settings and we locate proxy, and let's go ahead and turn this on. So this is going to be proxy.compnet.local. The port is going to be 9000, and we'll go ahead and save. So let's check answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.